Dogecoin value equivalent to 30476 rands a coin. The present cost range 302,413.147. The earlier day close 3/1/2025. The change was 0.64929%. Opposite rate ZAR to Doge. Dogecoin cost expectation for August 2024. First and foremost cost at 493 rands. Exorbitant cost 493, while low cost 412. They found the middle value of cost 460. Dogecoin cost gauge toward the month's end 443. Change for August 1%. Dogecoin gauge for September 2024. In the first place cost at 443 rands. Exorbitant cost 501, while low cost 435. They found the middle value of cost 462. Dogecoin cost gauge toward the month's end 468. Change for September 6%. Dogecoin cost expectation for October 2024. At the outset cost at 468 rands. Excessive cost 581, while low cost 468. They arrived at the midpoint of cost 515. Dogecoin cost conjecture toward the month's end 543. Change for October 16%. Dogecoin conjecture for November 2024. At the outset cost at 543 rands. Excessive cost 630, while low cost 543. They arrived at the midpoint of cost 576. Dogecoin cost conjecture toward the month's end 589. Change for November 5%. Dogecoin cost expectation for December 2024. Before all else cost at 589 rands. Excessive cost 615, while low cost 535. They arrived at the midpoint of cost 579. Dogecoin cost figure toward the month's end 575. Change for December 4%. Dogecoin figure for January 2025. Before all else cost at 575 rands. Excessive cost 575, while low cost 464. They arrived at the midpoint of cost 528. Dogecoin cost figure toward the month's end 499. Change for January 2%. Dogecoin cost expectation for February 2025. First and foremost cost at 499 rands. Exorbitant cost 594, while low cost 499. They found the middle value of cost 537. Dogecoin cost estimate toward the month's end 555. Change for February 2%. Dogecoin estimate for WARC 2025. First and foremost cost at 555 rands. Exorbitant cost 555, while low cost 456. They found the middle value of cost 514. Dogecoin cost estimate toward the month's end 490. Change for spring 7%. Dogecoin cost expectation for April 2025. To start with cost at 490 rands. Exorbitant cost 509, while low cost 443. They found the middle value of cost 480. Dogecoin cost gauge toward the month's end 476. Change for April 9%. Dogecoin estimate for May 2025. In the first place cost at 476 rands. Excessive cost 540, while low cost 470. They arrived at the midpoint of cost 498. Dogecoin cost conjecture toward the month's end 505. Change for May 1%. Dogecoin cost expectation for June 2025. First and foremost cost at 505 rands. Exorbitant cost 505, while low cost 435. They found the middle value of cost 478. Dogecoin cost conjecture toward the month's end 468. Change for June 3%. Dogecoin conjecture for July 2025. At the outset cost at 468 rands. Excessive cost 468, while low cost 391. They arrived at the midpoint of cost 437. Dogecoin cost conjecture toward the month's end 420. Change for July 3%. Dogecoin cost expectation for August 2025. At the outset cost at 420 rands. Excessive cost 521, while low cost 420. They arrived at the midpoint of cost 462. Dogecoin cost conjecture toward the month's end 487. Change for August 16%. Dogecoin conjecture for September 2025. At the outset cost at 487 rands. Exorbitant cost 530, while low cost 460. They found the middle value of cost 493. Dogecoin cost estimate toward the month's end 495. Change for September 6%. Dogecoin cost expectation for October 2025. To start with cost at 495 rands. Exorbitant cost 538, while low cost 468. They found the middle value of cost 501. Dogecoin cost estimate toward the month's end 503. Change for October 16%. Dogecoin estimate for November 2025. To start with cost at 503 rands. Excessive cost 624, while low cost 503. They arrived at the midpoint of cost 553. Dogecoin cost figure toward the month's end 583. Change for November 15.9%. Dogecoin cost expectation for December 2025. Initially cost at 583 rands. Excessive cost 666, while low cost 578. They arrived at the midpoint of cost 612. Dogecoin cost figure toward the month's end 622. Change for December 67%. Dogecoin gauge for January 2026. To start with cost at 622 rands. Exorbitant cost 622, while low cost 538. They found the middle value of cost 590. Dogecoin cost gauge toward the month's end 578. Change for January 7.1%. Dogecoin cost expectation for February 2026. First and foremost cost at 578 rands. Exorbitant cost 647, while low cost 563. They found the middle value of cost 598. Dogecoin cost estimate toward the month's end 605. Change for February 47%. Dogecoin estimate for Walk 2026. First and foremost cost at 605 rands. Exorbitant cost 658, while low cost 572. They found the middle value of cost 613. Dogecoin cost estimate toward the month's end 615. Change for spring 17%. Dogecoin cost expectation for April 2026. First and foremost cost at 615 rands. Exorbitant cost 669, while low cost 581. They found the middle value of cost 623. Dogecoin cost gauge toward the month's end 625. Change for April 16%. Dogecoin gauge for May 2026. At the outset cost at 625 rands. Excessive cost 668, while low cost 580. They arrived at the midpoint of cost 624. Dogecoin cost figure toward the month's end 624. Change for May 0.2%. Dogecoin cost expectation for June 2026. Before all else cost at 624 rands. Excessive cost 655, while low cost 569. They arrived at the midpoint of cost 615. Dogecoin cost figure toward the month's end 612. Change for June 19%. Dogecoin figure for July 2026. Before all else cost at 612 rands. Excessive cost 620, while low cost 538. They found the middle value of cost 587. Dogecoin cost estimate toward the month's end 579. Change for July 54%. Dogecoin cost expectation for August 2026. First and foremost cost at 579 rands. Exorbitant cost 629.